The TikTok Shop affiliate program is a money printing machine if you can find the right products to review. And the secret to finding these winning products is using software tools. This is going to give you an upper hand. And today I'm going to compare two software tools that are some of my favorites and let you know which one is going to be the best fit for you. We're going to be comparing FastMoss to Kalodata, breaking down the pricing, how to use them, the functionality and features that they both offer so that you can go out there and make as much money as possible with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So if that sounds good, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and let's come over here and dive in my screen and break down these two tools that are an absolute game changer. So right here, we've got FastMoss TikTok Analytics, and then we'll come over here and we've got Kalodata. Essentially, these tools are going to make your life so much easier. You're going to eliminate the guesswork and you're going to be able to find product after product. And this is the same exact strategies that I'm using in my business. So Kalodata or FastMoss? That's the voting question. The first thing I want to break down is the pricing. So right here, this is FastMoss. They've got 3 plans, Ultimate, Pro, Basic. So you can start for the first month at $60, but after that, it's going to be $60. Then the Pro plan is $110, and then Ultimate is $400, which that gets extremely expensive. And to be honest, unless you're an agency, you're not going to need Ultimate, and you might not even want to spend $50 to $110 for Pro. So you'll probably want to just start off with the Basic. So we'll come over here to Kalodata, and right here, they've got 3 plans. They've got Starter, Professional, and Custom Enterprise. And right here, the starter plan is significantly cheaper. And for me, the value for it is pretty solid. Now, they don't have some features that FastMoss has, which we will dive into, but Kalodata is going to be a little bit cheaper. So this is going to run you about $40 to get the Kalodata starter plan. And honestly, for both of these, I just recommend getting basic and starter. If you want to upgrade later, you totally can. So that's kind of the pricing difference. Pretty similar, but let's get into the actual features and functionality, which is the most important part. So right here, this is FastMoss. You come to the dashboard and you can see that you can find lives, find products, find shops, find creators, find ads. Like, it gives you so much information. And honestly, if you're just a normal TikTok Shop affiliate, you won't need all this information. And so that's why I say just start with the basic and starter plan. But again, if you're looking to grow, you're running ads, you're looking to sell, you're looking to build an agency, like, this is where all of the features are going to really kind of take you to that next level. But when it comes to basic product research for TikTok Shop affiliates, there's only a few features that I actually am using on a consistent basis. So we'll come over here, and the live is just going to help you find the top lives, the top live products, the top live creators, which if you go live, that is extremely valuable. For me personally, I don't use that because I don't like going live. And the reason being is I'd rather make a video once and have it basically generate commissions, not just for the time that I'm live, but for basically every single day while I'm sleeping, while I'm traveling, while I'm making this video as we speak. So for me, I don't personally do lives, but again, they work phenomenally. And so that is one thing. The next thing is the products. This is where you can actually find products. So you can come right here to the product search and you can filter out specific criterias and basically find exactly what you're looking for. And this is extremely beneficial and the secret to finding winning products. We want to find products that have good sales, that have good commissions, that are actually affiliate products that can accept samples, that are in a certain category that we are actually interested in. Those are the things that we're going to be able to come right here and find product after product so that we're not just guessing, we're not basically crossing our fingers and praying that, hey, this product is going to do well. We have the data to back it up. It's right there. You can do the product search. You can find what's top selling, and it's extremely user-friendly. And so that is one thing that I do like about FastMoss is it's extremely user-friendly. You can come right here and you can use the filters, or you can just come right here to see what's top selling, and you can just basically start with the top selling products. Or you can come right here and you can see, hey, what's newly listed? You can see right here, these are products that are actually being fulfilled by TikTok. There's so many additional features. And I'll kind of break this down here in a second that FastMoss has that Kalodata does not, but at the same time, are they necessary? And for me, some yes, but others, like, I don't know. But anyways, we'll come over here to most promoted. And so they just got a lot of cool features inside this product tab. So now we're going to come over here to Kalodata and just give you an overview on the dashboard, the live and the product. So right here, we've got the main dashboard. So you can come right here and you can basically see like the hot videos, hot lives, trending products, affiliate creators. So like you can basically see like these hot selling who I'm follow. Like you can come right here and you can actually add creators and follow them. And this is extremely an underrated strategy. Basically find the top creators, follow them, and see what they're doing on a consistent day-to-day basis to generate the revenue that they're generating. So instead of reinventing the wheel, just learn from top creators. Now, I want to jump into a massive upside that Kalodata has over FastMoss as we go throughout these features, and that is right here as we are going to the products. You can hover over these videos and literally see the top viral videos for a certain product. So literally I hover over it and I can see it and I can watch it and basically get the information that I need to say, oh, I can make a video like this, and I can basically kind of take what they did and make it my own. We're on FastMoss, and again, this might sound ridiculous. Like if I wanted to see this video of this creator, I can't hover over it. I have to actually click on this, and I have to click on this, and then it's going to take me to TikTok. So that is just a tedious, just honestly annoying process to have to go and click so many times to watch one video, where right here, I can watch like 20, 30 videos by the time I watch one or two on FastMoss. So for efficiency, that is one of my favorite features that Kalodata has. Now, hopefully FastMoss is watching this and they may integrate that in the future, but that is a really, really cool, underrated feature. And for the price, that's pretty awesome. So one thing that I love to do is I'm going to show you a feature on Kalodata's category, and I'm going to find a category that I resonate with. So if I'm a girl and I'm super into beauty, personal care, or makeup, those are the categories that I want to look at, as beauty and personal care, makeup and perfume. But if, like, for example, me, if I'm into, let's say, phone and electronics and sports and outdoors, that is the category that I want to look at. It does me no good to come and click on women's and underwear when, for me personally, how am I going to promote this product? Like, it's going to be physically impossible. So what you can do is you can actually go to a category that you're interested in, for example, sports and outdoors for me. And then from here, I can come right here and I can see the product ranking, the shop ranking, the creator ranking, and I can find a ton of products that, look, they're crushing it in revenue. They have insane items sold in the last 30 days. And then I can come right here and I can see the videos that these creators are making. And if there's something that stands out, it's like, hey, I could make and basically replicate that video. So that category tab is an absolute must. We'll come over here to the shop tab. This is where you're going to find the top selling shops on the TikTok shop. So many shops, but basically these are the best sellers. And these companies are the companies that if you can basically get in the door with and see success promoting their products, that's where they're going to send you additional products. That's where they're going to, this is a little golden nugget, little golden gem, going to actually spend money promoting your videos through your ad codes. Basically, it's just going to promote your video and it doesn't cost you anything. And every time that you generate a sale, you're going to get a commission. And the largest shops, that is how they are the largest, is they are putting a lot of money behind TikTok shop affiliates. So working with some of the top shops is an absolute game changer. So you can come right here and you can see the top shops and see if there's any products that resonate with you and you can potentially work with them. You can come right here to the creator tab. You can find the top creators. This is one of the best things that you can do, is find the top creators, see what they're doing, and then take what they're doing and make it your own. Do not reinvent the wheel. If somebody is already seeing massive success, like this individual TikTok shop affiliate has done $1.69 million in the last 30 days. Okay, how are they doing this? You click on it and you go look at their TikTok account. You come right here. How is this individual doing close to 1 million? How is this one doing 950,000? That is absolutely absurd. So again, do not reinvent the wheel. Go learn from the top creators, see what kind of videos they're doing. Are they going live? What type of products are they doing? What type of audience are they building? Are they interested in a certain category, a certain niche? Are they speaking to a specific audience? How are they structuring their videos? Those are things that you can learn. And again, having these software tools are going to basically open up the doors and show you how to do that. So I love the creator tab. And then if we come over here to the video and an ad, this is where you're going to see the top ads and the top videos. And then live stream, this is where you're actually going to see the top live streams as well. So that is Kalodata. Very, very simple and straightforward. easy to work. But we'll come back over here to FastMoss and go through the additional features that they have. So again, they have a creator tab, but like I was mentioning, they have additional features and filters that Kalodata hasn't. So that's basically kind of what you're paying for, is the additional creator search, growth rank, e-commerce creators, verified creators, trending creators. Again, are those necessary? No. Are they cool? Absolutely. So you can come right here, you can do a creator search, you can see the verified creators, who are the trending creators, so who are up and coming, all of those different things right there. The next is the shop. So this is where you can find the top shop. And right here, you can see that that is the same top shop that Kalodata had. You can do shop by rank. You can do most promoted. This is kind of a cool where it's talking about who is promoting the products the most, because again, that means they are putting a lot of money behind the TikTok shop affiliates. So these are brands that you definitely want to try to work with, because if you can make a video that goes semi-viral, they will reach out to you for the ad code. You also want to reach out to them, and then they'll start promoting the product. So that is the shop. Then if we come over here to the ads, so this is the ad search, popular advertiser. You've got video and clips, so popular video, popular music, popular hashtag. This is one thing that's pretty cool, is you can find popular music. So if you guys are looking for a specific song or a popular hashtag to integrate into your videos, this is something that you can do. And you can come right here, and this is where you can basically tag all of your favorite lives, all of your favorite products, your shops, your creators. It just organizes it. You can actually video monitor. So you can enter in a TikTok page link, and you can actually monitor that. And so there's a lot of cool features right there. So overall, for me personally, Kalodata for the price is probably going to be a little bit better bang for the buck, but FastMoss does have quite a few more features and basically things that you can kind of go and use to make more educated decisions. And then again, if we come back over here, being able to hover over the videos, that is a really, really cool and underrated feature. So overall, both are phenomenal tools. I'm going to say Kalodata is going to win just by a few points, but FastMoss is still a phenomenal product. And depending on if you are an agency, depending on if you're a small TikTok creator, you are going to honestly, one might work better than the other. A larger account, an agency, a seller, you need more information, then I probably recommend FastMoss. But if you are just kind of a beginner, you're just starting out and you're just a TikTok shop affiliate by yourself, then Kalodata is going to be a fantastic option